the state of Maharashtra, where there is a big jolt to the Maharashtra Congress. Former Chief Minister and Congress heavyweight Ashok Chavan has quit. This development comes days after senior Maharashtra Congress leaders Baba Siddiqui and Milind Deora quit the Grand Old Party. The 65-year-old leader had earlier met with the Assembly Speaker to submit his resignation. In his one-line resignation letter, Chavan expressed, with immediate effect, resigned from the primary membership of the Congress. The 65-year-old leader also sent his resignation as the MLA to the Speaker. Sources say he is possibly going to be getting a Rajya Sabha seat from BJP. Also, political quarters are buzzed with the fact that Chavan has the support of 10 to 12 MLAs and they too are going to be switching sides.
मैंने आज कांग्रेस पार्टी के असेंबली के मेंबरशिप से मेरी लेजिस्लेचर मैं कांग्रेस पार्टी से चुनकर आया हूं एज ए एमएलए। वो सदस्यत्व का एमएलए के मैंने आज इस्तीफा स्पीकर के पास मिल के सौंप दिया है। उसके बाद में मैंने आज कांग्रेस वर्किंग कमेटी, कांग्रेस की प्राइमरी मेंबरशिप और हमारे जो लेजिस्लेचर पार्टी है उसका भी इस्तीफा मैंने आज पार्टी को सुपुर्द किया है। इसमें भी वेरी क्लियर, आई हैव नॉट टॉक टू अ सिंगल एमएलए ऑफ द कांग्रेस पार्टी। मेरा ये इंटेंशन नहीं है और मैंने कोई भी कांग्रेस के विधायक से बात नहीं की।
प्रकारे काँग्रेस पक्ष गेले काही वर्षात वाटचाल करतोय, त्यातनं कुठेतरी जनतेचे जे नेते आहेत, ज्यांचा जनतेशी कनेक्ट आहे, अशा लोकांची गुदमर त्या ठिकाणी होती आहे। आणि म्हणून देशभरामध्ये हा ट्रेंड आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतोय की जनतेचे लोक हे भाजपमध्ये प्रवेश करतायत। त्यामुळे निश्चितपणे काही मोठे नेते भारतीय जनता पक्षाकडे येतील हा मला विश्वास आहे। आज मी तुम्हाला एवढंच सांगू शकतो, आगे आगे देखिए होता है क्या।
त्यांचा अंतर्गत वाद एवढा आहे की त्यांच्या नेतृत्वामध्ये समन्वय घडवण्यासाठी क्षमताच नाहीये आणि त्यामुळं मला वाटतं हा राजीनामा हे बघावं लागेल कुठल्या कारणाने दिला आहे। पण काँग्रेस पार्टीमध्ये अंतर्गत धुसफूस आहे आणि मोठ्या प्रमाणावर काँग्रेस पार्टीमधले मोठ्या प्रमाणावर मोठे मोठे नेते हे भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या संपर्कामध्ये आहे।
सुन भी रहे हैं, देख भी रहे हैं कि आज फिर किस तरह से एक कांग्रेस के वरिष्ठ नेता, सिटिंग एमएलए, पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री जो आई इंडिया अलायंस की हर मीटिंग में मौजूद रहते थे, आज उन्होंने इस्तीफा दे दिया कांग्रेस से और वो भी अभी खबर मिल रही है कि वो भी जा रहे बीजेपी के अंदर। ये वो लोग हैं जो हर दिन हमको बोलते थे कि एमआईएम बी टीम है, बी टीम है, बी टीम है। अब कौन है बी टीम? असल बी टीम ये थे, चले गए अपनी जगह के ऊपर। देखो, सेक्युलरिज्म के नाम के ऊपर लोगों से वोट लिया, लोगों को बेवकूफ बनाया और सारे वोट लेकर कहां चले गए। ये महाराष्ट्र की जनता देख रही है, इसका जवाब जरूर मिलेगा।
Getting us all of those details, Mustafa, it's a setback given the kind of hold that Ashok Chavan, the former chief minister of the state, had over Nanded. But the buzz really is that he couldn't be alone. Possibly there are more people, there are more MLAs who would be quitting the Congress and leaving the party. What is it that you're picking up?
Well, of course, because Ashok Chavan was a senior leader and he was very active in Maharashtra politics, and because he has been in politics for years and decades now, starting with his father, who has also been a former chief minister of Maharashtra, it's likely that many MLAs of Congress have a bond like family with Ashok Chavan, and hence it can't be denied that after Ashok Chavan joins BJP, there will be more people who will follow. Now, the other part is what is BJP's strategy in getting these MLAs out, because remember, Baba Siddiqui has joined National Congress Party, but his son remains to be a Congress MLA, and in a similar manner there must be a lot of people who are in touch, MLAs who are in touch with the BJP, but the BJP would wait for the right time. The right time may be the upcoming Rajya Sabha elections, where cross voting can happen so that the Congress candidate for the Rajya Sabha seat is defeated. The other part could be that even after Lok Sabha, these MLAs Congress can resign once the code of conduct is in place and then join BJP. So there are different ways to look at it, but at the same time, because even for Ashok Chavan for last 2 years it was being said that he wants to join BJP, but the local leadership of BJP in Nanded area where he comes from, they were against Ashok Chavan because traditionally they had been fighting Ashok Chavan for decades, and once now they have come to power, if Ashok Chavan come to BJP, then the entire what you can say struggle for last few years goes waste. So that was one of the struggle which the BJP was going through, and BJP is finding it even harder as they go forward because a lot of local leaderships are disturbed with Eknath Shinde and his people coming, with Ajit Pawar and his people coming, and now the Congress MLAs and the Congress leaders coming, they'll get their own supporters, they'll get a good share of funds for development from the entire finance ministry. So these are things which also disturb the BJP, but at the same time the Congress leadership is also disturbed because they clearly know that Ashok Chavan going out, which means that it's a very big electoral damage to them, that he was the most senior-most person in terms of running the governance, and even in the upcoming 2024 Lok Sabha election he could have been the Nanded MP candidate, but now Congress is looking for faces and trying to assess the damage which has been done to the party. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa Sheikh getting us up to speed with those developments as far as the rumblings within the Maharashtra Congress is concerned.